That dog, aka the pedigree, me and the Willy dog. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, look at this view. It's coming out to the end of the harbour. Hope you can see it. I just wanted to show you that it's a day in the life of the Zep dog. Willy dog gets what he wants. He hates the rain, but if I took him home, he'd be angry at me all day. I'm not taking him because it's raining. He doesn't like the rain. That's all Willy dog. He doesn't get everything he wants, as you've seen. I just know there's a big Irish wolfhound up here, so I put his iPad away and make sure that Willy dog. Because I don't know how to react in that situation. If I ever get one in a situation like that again, I'm not gonna hold Willy back, which is horrible. But I'll do everything in my power to not let them fight. I'm not gonna let Willy get a beating and someone else hold him back. That would be like if someone held me back. It's not gonna happen. There's only two people left alive that can hold me back. It's my father and my chief. That's it. No one else will hold me back ever. Not that I want to do that, but if someone's beating me, it's on. Clocking out. Wet, cold. And look, a bit of madness. You know somebody from the south when they got shorts on, a bit of Wim Hof. A bit of Wim Hof going on.